Everyone is using AI these days, but what if I tell you you can use AI to build amazing projects and showcase to the judges and be a part of amazing community? Also on the top of it, you'll be getting hiring opportunities, internship opportunities and goodies that too free of cost. And here, anyone can apply. There is no restriction that you need to be from IT stream only or any other stream. Here, anyone, whether you're a science student, whether you're a commerce student, at least you can participate here free of cost. So what is this program? Let's cover it in detail. And before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel so that you are able to get all opportunities free of cost in channel. We are talking about the ET AI Hackathon 2.0. We have covered the 1.0 event also in the January month, and also we have covered the 2.0 event in the previous video. Now a lot of you are having some queries, so I'm just addressing how you have to participate, what are the things we have to do in this event. So first of all, let's come to who can apply for it. It is open to students, working professional and AI enthusiasts across India. Participation are allowed individually, means you can participate alone also or form a team of up to 4 members. Anyone can participate. That's why if you are from different stream, different college, different discipline and different years, you can just form a team if you want. Although most people like to participate individually, so you can participate individually too. Now here, some people think that they can create multiple accounts and join under different teams, so it is not allowed. Each participant can be a part of only one team. Okay, you cannot use any other's name and participate because all things should be online proctored. Okay, they'll see your face live. Now here are some guidelines regarding the rules and things. Now what we have to actually do in this particular hackathon. Okay, so here you have to actually build some projects using AI which can help mankind, which can help to ease out the problems which many people are facing. So the problem statement has not been released yet. It will be released later on. For that also I'll make a video. If you want, you can just comment down below. Now coming over here to the rules and guidelines. For example, for registration purpose, I have attached the link in the description. From there you can just click on the link, register over here because the registration and phase 1 is live. Okay. So what you have to do, first of all, let's see. After that, I'll tell you the rules and regulation. So currently phase 1, that is the online qualifier round, is live. That started from 16th itself. Okay. It will be online AI proctored MCQ assessment. Okay. That will evaluate your understanding. So it's just like a quiz, you can say, or examination, which will contain some question, maybe 60, 30, and you'll be given proper time for it. You have to solve it. Okay. You'll be having time till 16th of May to pass the phase 1. So you can participate in this opportunity. Currently it is live and it is free of cost. Once you pass the phase 1, okay, phase 1 ends, then there will be problem statement, means they will reveal the problem statement and the phase 2 will start. Mostly they will give you idea what you have to build, which AI solution you have to develop. Problem statements will be also revealed during that time after the result of. Okay, after or on the same day they will just declare the problem statement. Now you have to work on either you have to work on individually or you can form a team also. There is no restriction for it. And after that, once you have done completed all the things, means build a prototype, submitted all the things, and after that they'll just verify your entries, and then top teams will be getting a chance to submit their projects to the panel. Okay, and there'll be demo sessions, means you have to demo your projects whatever you have built, and they will just evaluate your projects based on the innovation, business impact and execution quality, and you'll be getting marks and you'll be getting the goodies. Now what are the prizes? Let's come over here. So the prizes are, there is 5 lakh cash, 3 lakh cash and 2 lakh cash for the winners, and certificates are for everyone. Top performing, even though if you don't win but you are a top performer candidate, you'll be getting career opportunities including the pre-placement interview, and amazing opportunities are there. So I'll suggest take part in it. Now how to register? You have to just, as I said, you have to just click on the link and which I have shared in the description. From there you have to just register in this opportunity. After that, all the notifications will be sent to you. Now let's see the key dates over here. So registration started from 16th of April and the registration deadline is 15th of May. After that, MCQ submission deadline is, because in the Unstop page they have not mentioned the registration deadline, so you need to take care for it. Okay, so I'll suggest hurry up and register is this opportunity. After that, you can move to the MCQ submission. After that, on 19th of May, the problem statement will be revealed, and then prototype submission deadline will be announced after the results, I think so. So these are things they have mentioned, the judging criteria, how how effectively you use the problem statement to create the project, technical implementation, innovation, impact and scalability, business value and presentation. All things they'll view. Okay. You have to make a demo also. I think if it is offline or online, mostly it is online, I think so. Okay. So let me just check once again and I will tell you. Now here what actually you have to submit. You have to submit a demo of your AI solution which you have built and a pitch deck. Deck you can consider it as a PPT PowerPoint presentation. You have to present your idea also in front of judges. So you have to make a PPT for that also. A demo video you can just showcase what you have built. You can add things like explaining everything like how you have built, what are the functions like this. You have to make a demo video also and then you have to showcase. So rules and guidelines only they have mentioned that it is open to students across the India. Okay, or postgraduate students can also participate. And here, original work is required, means you cannot copy someone else's project and directly paste or just polish it. You have to create all things yourself. And here, as all submissions must be made through Unstop platform. Okay, so when you'll register over here, which I have shared in the link in the description, when you register over here, all the dashboard will be uploaded and you'll be able to see the dashboard how you have to submit the projects. Okay, after that there will be team composition. If you want to form a team, you can form it. If you don't want, you cannot. The next thing is that participants may use open source, so you can use the open source tools and libraries, all the things they have clearly mentioned. I hope it clears your most of your doubt. We have covered the FAQs and the all the things we have covered. Okay, so this was the amazing opportunity. If you are interested in other events also, you can just navigate to the channel. We have covered multiple events. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.